to another Bahikhata demo tutorials. In this video, we are diving into the repair module where you can manage your incoming repair request and your customer devices efficiently. So I will show you how you can navigate it. In the sidebar. You will click on directly on the repair section to get the access on the repair module. So this module basically allows you to track and manage your customer product submitted for repairing and including like your arrival details, item specific and the current repair status. So as you can see, we are getting the repair number, phone number and the name of uh, the customer. Then we have the arrival date when the item is have arrived for the repair. Then we have the product details here, product name, model and color, RAM, HDD, IMEI number and so on. And then we have the repair status, which is currently analyzing for this product. And we can also view the quantity here, the expected amount. Then we have how much amount you have received from the customer and how much amount is balance from the customer end. We can also select the invoice status, whether it's invoiced or not, and there are two action buttons at the right hand side where we can edit our repair entry, or else we can entirely delete it by clicking on this delete button. So I'll show you how you can add one. You will go at the top action buttons and you will click on add customer. So let's add one customer here and click on next button. You need to add all your product details from here. Let's say I have, let's say for in my shop Pixel 12 has come for the repair, and I'll add the model, I'll add the color, then I'll add the RAM and HDD, then I'll add the IMEI number here. Let's say I'm adding the battery percentage as at 90. Quantity, let's say two items have come for the repairing, and accepting expected price per week, let's say we take 5,000 per piece. So let's click on 5,000, and let's say repair status will be item received, because that is the first process, first status. Whenever the item came, the status will be the item received. Then afterwards we can uh, change it to like analyzing, when your workers can analyze the product, and then we can select can't be fixed, delivered. This is when you know it will not be able to fixed by us, and we have delivered the product, and then the last status will be fixed and delivered. So we have successfully fixed it and we have delivered it. So as we are adding it right now, I am selecting item received, and I'll select the mode of payment as cash, and I'll the balance amount is 10K for two products. So let's keep the balance amount and directly just add the product. At the right hand side, my product has been added, and I'll click on the next button to go to the payment view page. In the payment details, I will see the total amount is 10K and the balance amount is also 10K, because we haven't received anything till now from the customer. So I'll click on the next button, and then it will ask me, are you want to do you want to proceed for invoice generation? So do I want to submit the repair just here, or I want to submit and generate invoice together? So this depends on your business needs. So for now I'll select the submit, and I'll directly generate the invoice from here. So I'll review this repair in invoice so that I can share this with my customer, and also I can download it and print it from these two action buttons. I click on back, and my updated entry has been showing at the top by Pixel 12, and as you can see at the end, you can see the invoice status as invoiced, and you can also do the same for the sub products. And from the top button, you can filter it by the customer name. Let's say I select the customer and I'll filter it out, so both the entries have been filtered accordingly. I'll create the filters. At the top hand side, one more button is there, which is download report. By clicking on this button, you can directly uh, download this repair section, and as I click on it, you can see the Excel file with the updated entries of our listing here, which is useful for keeping your products and sharing it with anyone else. So let's again go to the Bahikhata platform, and at the bottom you can see all the pagination have been intact. And so this is a wrap on this module, and it helps us in basically uh, getting the status of the repair. It helps us in managing the entire repair service which we are providing to our customers. So it helps us in tracking what is the status, is the item received, or whether we are able to do it or not. Once it's done, we are able to check everything. And in the next video, we'll be talking about reports modules. So like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.